Hello, வணக்கம் everyone. நான் வந்து USA வர்ஜீனியாலேருந்து பேசுகிறேன். யாசின் மாஸ்டர் கிட்ட லாஸ்ட் 2 months-ஆக வந்து ஐம் டேக்கிங் ட்ரைனிங் அண்ட் ஐம் அ லாங் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் என்டியூரன்ஸ் சைக்கிளிஸ்ட். It's very much helping me. Yasin Master has given me lot of core workouts, strength workouts. Cycling ரொம்ப flexibility ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அதே மாதிரி strength, core strength. I have lost a lot of weight. And especially when the long distance you need your upper body strength to hold yourself. So I'm very much thankful and grateful for Yasin Master. And the workouts எனக்கு ரொம்பவே ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுச்சு to be strong on the bike, to lose weight and to feel strong throughout the day. And the energy levels ரொம்ப அதிகமா இருந்தது. I did my 200 km, my longest distance 2 days ago. And I felt very much strong, and I also did a 100-mile 10,000 feet elevation on a different day, and ultimately felt super strong. Again, I'm also a software engineer, so a lot of sitting, and in the especially Yasin Master or the workouts that affects core, hips, legs, total body. So I'm feeling much more stronger, and I'm looking forward to a lot more strength workouts. Thank you so much, guys.